What are some e-commerce SEO trends for the future? Many e-commerce SEO trends are emerging in the future. Some e-commerce SEO trends for the future include: Number 1. Mobile optimization. As more and more people use mobile devices to search the internet, it's important to ensure your e-commerce website is optimized. It means optimizing your website for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Number 2. Voice search optimization. With the rise of voice-activated assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Home, optimizing your e-commerce website for voice search is important. It can be done by including long-tail keywords that are spoken rather than typed. Number 3. Local SEO. As mentioned above, local SEO is becoming increasingly important for e-commerce websites. It is because more and more people are using the internet to find local businesses. Optimize your e-commerce website for local search. Number 4. Schema markup. Schema markup is a code that is added to your e-commerce website to help search engines understand your content. It can mark products, reviews, and other information on your website. Number 5. Social media. Social media is another important e-commerce SEO trend for the future. It is used to promote your e-commerce website and attract organic traffic. By following these e-commerce SEO trends, you can stay ahead of the competition and improve the visibility and ranking of your online store. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.